Go.
Okay, hello everybody, this is Jacob Larson here. I'm going to show you how to operate your door by hand. I'll just drop this blue thing, and if you come out here, there's the emergency release handle, and it's no longer going to be moving the opener. I'm going to show you how to reconnect it now. Just going to have to...
Where's your stick, Jacob?
Right here we got a 1 pound stick thing. Okay, now we got it good. Now I'm gonna hit the button. If I can find it.
It's on the steps, Jacob.
Huh?
On the steps.
Okay. It's gonna be right here. Watch. You see, this is a belt driven. I can also show you. Okay. See, now it works. Now it works on a motor. And that's and now we're done with that part. Now we're done with that part.